We operate a lot of lean manufacturing principles here, and in that lean manufacturing discipline is the idea of continuous improvement. So user insights and feedback loops. So this is constant feedback coming back into this factory from those rental operators, telling us what works, what doesn't, what stands up to that heavy duty use and what doesn't. But really what it is just a way of reflecting on how you're doing things, looking at it, training your people and trying to understand how you can do things more efficiently, more effectively. We've reduced the man hours going into our vehicles by over 50% in the last 5 years, and that's all been because of these lean manufacturing principles. One of the big things with processes is about just driving things through quickly and simply and efficiently. That leads to higher quality, just making sure things are done right first time. So lean manufacturing is actually a method of improving quality and reducing cost. So that in the end provides much better value for the customer.